Hi guys, welcome to our storytime video. I'm going to be reading Bobby and the Big Balloon. Feel free to pause, go back, slow down the video, repeat after me, whatever you need. This is to practice your listening skills, your English input. Okay? Let's read the story. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Bobby. Bobby lived in a small village near the sea. Bobby was a happy boy. He liked to play outside every day. One day, Bobby's mother gave him a big red balloon. "Here is a balloon for you, Bobby," she said. Bobby was very happy. "Thank you, Mom," he said. He took the balloon outside. Bobby loved his balloon. He played with it in the yard. He threw it in the air. He caught it. The balloon was very light and very bright. It floated in the sky like a little red dot. Bobby laughed and laughed. "My balloon is my friend," he said. But suddenly the wind started to blow. It blew stronger and stronger. "Oh no," said Bobby. The balloon started to float away. It flew up, 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 high in the sky. Bobby tried to catch it, but he was too late. The balloon went over the trees, over the houses, and far away. Bobby was sad. "My balloon is gone," he said. He sat down on the grass. His mother came outside. She saw that Bobby was sad. "What happened?" she asked. "My balloon flew away," Bobby said. His mother smiled. She put her hand on Bobby's shoulder. "Don't worry, Bobby. Maybe it will come back." Bobby didn't think the balloon would come back, but he hoped. He looked up at the sky every day. He waited and waited. One day, many days later, something amazing happened. Bobby was walking near the beach. He looked up, and there it was, the big red balloon. It was coming down slowly from the sky. Bobby couldn't believe his eyes. He ran to catch it. "My balloon! It came back to me!" he shouted with joy. Bobby held the balloon tightly. He was so happy. He took the balloon home and tied it to his bed. "Now you can't fly away," he said with a big smile. From that day on, Bobby and the big red balloon were always together. He told all his friends the story of how his balloon came back. His friends loved the story, and Bobby felt very lucky to have such a special friend. The end. That's it, guys. See you in the next one.